Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon on this fine, humid, hot day. We got another hog bait for you. And again, our hog baits also work on deer. They don't really run anything off that we've seen so far today. What are we calling this one though today? It is Greasy Strawberries. Yes, that's right, Greasy Strawberries. Why, you might ask? Well, we got strawberry jello mix that we're going to throw into the bucket. But for about the last 6 months, I've been cooking breakfast with Crisco, with lard, saving the lard. Got it right here. We're going to mix some up in this corn with the, so it's got that breakfast flavor of eggs, bacon, back straps, sausage, you know, got it going on. We're going to mix them up in the corn, mix the strawberry jello mix in on it, and there you go, Greasy Strawberries. Nice. Damn, definitely got that breakfast smell to it. Get some strawberry jello mix thrown in on it. And now we find a stick. It's not a snake. That little bit's already got this whole bucket. Got that bucket going good, covered. So we got breakfast right here. The Greasy Strawberries. We got a camera right there. We're just gonna throw it out and see what we get on camera. There you go. Easy peasy. Well, that's the spot the corn was in. You'll see them, the hard ground, digging into it. That greasy strawberry corn.
There's a place where lovers go to cry their troubles away, and they call it Lonesome Town, where the broken hearts stay. You can buy a dream or two to last you all through the years, and the only price you pay is a heart full of tears. Going down to Lonesome Town, where the broken hearts stay.